Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So our topic is how to make frequency distribution table. So in this video presentations, I will discuss and show you the step-by-step process on how to make frequency distribution table. Okay, so we have steps on how to make frequency distribution table. So step 1, calculate the range of the data set. Okay, so the formula is the range is equals to the highest score minus the lowest score. Okay, next step 2, determine the class interval. So in calculating the class interval, we have the formula k is equals to 1 plus 3.3 log or multiply this log n. Yung n natin yung number of data sets. Okay, papakita ko din sa inyo mamaya. Next, step 3, determine the class size. So the formula for class size, you will just divide this range by the class interval. Okay, then step 4, tally the scores in the appropriate classes. Okay, so let us apply the steps on how to make the distribution table using this data. Okay, so step 1, we have to calculate the range. Okay, so the formula in calculating the range, we have range that is equals to the highest score minus the lowest score. Okay, so looking at the number of data, the highest score is 65. Write 65. Then our lowest score is 12, which is 12. Okay, so 65 minus 12, that is 53. Okay, so we have now the value of range. So next, calculate the class interval. Okay, so in calculating the class interval, that is equals to 1 plus 3.3 then log n. Okay, so yung n natin ay yung kung ilan ang number ng data. Okay, so i-count natin ito starting from 12, 14, dito. So 5 ito, yung isang column ay 5. Saka dito 6, so 30 ito. So ang n natin ay 30. Okay, so plus natin, so ito ay 4.3. Ang n natin dito, multiply natin ay, ang log natin dito ay 30. Okay, 30. Then kunin natin yung log 30. So this is 4.3. So ang log 30 is equals to 1.477. Okay, then let us multiply 4.3 multiplied by 1.477. So this is equals to 6.35. Okay, so let us round down this to 6. 6 na lang siya. Next, let us calculate the class size. Okay, the class size is equals to the range. Range divide sa class interval natin. Okay, so our range is 53 divide by 6. Okay, so yun ang class size natin. Okay, so 53 divided by 6. So this is 8.83. Then let us round off this. This becomes 9. Okay. So we have now the value of range, the class interval, and class size. Then we will now make a table. Okay. Okay. This is class interval. Class interval. But this is the class interval. Okay, so let us start with the lowest number, which is 12. Then let us count 9 as our class size, including 12. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 dito. Next 21. Then count tayo ng 9 including yung 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 29 dito. Then 30. Okay, this is 30. Yusin lang natin ang pagsulat. So 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So 38 dito. Okay, so next 39. Okay, including 39. So 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So 47 dito. Next 48. 48. Okay. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 56 dito. 56, then 57. Okay, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Okay. So 65 ang pinaka-last. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, ito ay 6 ang kanyang interval. Dito. 6. So, next, tali naman yung lalagay natin dito. Yung tali. Okay. Dito yung frequency natin. Frequency. Okay. So, ano bang data ang bilong dito sa 12 to 20? So, count natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ang ano dito, yung tally natin. Okay. So from 21 to 29, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 dito. 6. Then 30 to 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 din ito. 6 to 38. 30 to 38. Okay, so 39 to 47. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 din dito. 6. Okay. So, next, 48 to 56. 48 to 56. So, dalawa lang. Dalawa lang dito. Then, 57 to 60. Okay, dalawa lang. So, dapat, count natin dito sa tally kung ilan. So, we have 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. So, ang total niya ay 30. 30 dito. Okay, so parehas lang dito. Ito, ang frequency niya 6, 2, 2. So, that is 30. Then, pwede nating makuha yung percentage niya, yung percentage niya. Okay, so i-divide lang natin, pagkuha ng percent, divide natin yung 8 dito sa 30. So, mayroon siyang 27%. Dito, 27%. Ito. Next, 6 divided by 30. That is 20%. Ito. 20%. Ito din. 20% ito. Ito din. 20%. Then, 2 divided by 30, that is ito ay 7%, ito ay 6%. Dapat ang total niya ay 100%. Ito dapat dito 100%. Okay, sige, count natin yung 0.27 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.07 plus 0.06. Okay, so the total is 100%. Okay, so yun ang paggawa ng frequency distribution table. So, sana nakapagbigay ako sa inyo ng aral o meron kayong natutunan dito sa video lesson na ito. Okay, so salamat sa panonood.